Hello, everybody. This is Mike Prey with Keller Williams Realty with your real estate update through October of 2023. Videoing this obviously in the beginning part of November, so I want to wish everybody an early happy Thanksgiving. I hope everything is going your way and you're prepared to have a wonderful holiday season. We had some interesting developments in the month of October. Interest rates are the big story there. The interest rates actually went to and above a 20-year high through the month of October. And interestingly, though, as we got into November, the interest rates have just gone down, and they went down as much as they had gone in one week, as much as they had gone up in the month of October. So at the end of October, the interest rates were at 7.79. They had gone up about 0.5 basis points to 0.6 basis points from the month of September. And in some places you were seeing around 8% interest rates. It varies overall, but on average 7.79. Right now, Wells Fargo is quoting 7.125, which is 0.665 basis points recouped. It dropped 0.665 basis points and ended up back where it was at the end of September-ish, maybe even a little bit lower. So the interest rates are very volatile. We'll come back to that, but that's very good news for people who are out in the market trying to buy a home. Can save a lot of money with that much of a savings if they're prepared to go forward. The number of homes sold was off about 10.5% month over month for the year, off 29.2%. That's a number that we watch, but it is indicative of course, interest rates. You know, some people have been priced out of the market for with interest rates, but also it's indicative of the amount of inventory that we have available. We have very low inventory, and it's continuing to decline. And so it's just a function of how many homes are available out there to sell. In DFW, the median sales price is generally holding firm and rising. There are some places, however, where it is going down. Some places are going up. Every area in the DFW Metroplex is really its own market. And so you want to take a look at the market that you live in and see what's happening there if you're trying to make decisions about buying and selling. The available inventory, which I talked about a minute ago, was up about 19.5%. So the inventory is actually rising a little bit, and but year over year it's off about 20.6%. So it is the overall trend is a decline in available inventory. The days on market, which is how long does it take to get a home under contract once it goes on the market, was up 13 days over September at 46 days. It was only up 2 days year over year. Last year at this time it was taking 44 days to get the home under contract. That's a seasonal thing that we see. Available inventory is also somewhat seasonal, although it represents an overall market trend that we're seeing. But in a normal market, we'll see fewer homes available as we go into the holidays. We'll see it take a little bit longer for those homes to sell. The upside there is that those who are looking to buy during the holidays are usually very serious buyers, and they're not just kicking tires and seeing what's going on. They're out there actually looking for a home to move into. So it's still a very good time to put your home on the market. A lot of companies do their transfers and that sort of thing toward the end of the year or at the beginning of the next year. So you have people in November and December who are transferring in or transferring out, and or people who are getting in a position where they can go out and buy that home. They're watching the interest rates. When they go down, they get in there. So there are a lot of good reasons to put your home on the market at this time of the year. Showings were down 10.3% month over month. They were down only about 2.1% year over year. So that reflects a little bit of a seasonal decline. Just have fewer people out there looking for homes. The buyers. So what that says, if you're a buyer and you're wanting to get out there and get in the market, I would recommend that you get prepared. And by that I mean go and visit with a loan officer. Find out where you stand in relation to your ability to purchase a home. Find out how much you can qualify for. Decide what you do want to spend. Sometimes we can qualify for more than we want to spend. And see, what kind of monthly payment would you be comfortable with in your budget? And then we can talk about, what you can get at the current time for that amount of payment. But in any event, you want to get prepared so that you're poised and ready, and check with your loan officer over time, because the interest rates do bounce up and down. And when they go down like they did a half a point, that's a significant savings. But in any event, you want to be prepared to get in the market, because as we've seen, generally speaking, the prices are continuing to rise. That rise in prices is supported by the demand. There are people moving into the Metroplex here, and so there are and they need a place to live, and a lot of people want to buy. And the prices are also supported by the fact that there's a lower amount of inventory. So even though people want to buy, there aren't as many homes available, and that keeps the prices up, and they're continuing to rise. So there's a saying that you'll hear sometimes, I don't even know if I want to repeat it necessarily, but you marry the home and you date the interest rate. And what that means is it looks like the trends are going flat to up right now in prices. So you buy a home at the current price, and then you refinance the interest rate when the rates go down. Either way, if you're waiting, it's hard to project what's going to happen, and there's usually a cost to waiting, to either put your home on the market or to buy a home. If you're a seller, the prices are being supported right now, even during this time of the year. That they tend to drop maybe just a little bit, but in some areas they're continuing to go up. And so if you're waiting for this or waiting for that, waiting for prices to go up, waiting for whatever it is you're waiting for, there's often a cost. You can't predict it. The best time to put your home up for sale is in the market we're in. But if you want to know what that looks like for you, evaluate your particular situation, see what your home might sell for in the current market, and see what the trends are in your neighborhood, please give me a call at 469-446-0234, or you can email me at mikepray2@gmail.com. If you're watching this on social media, you can message me, send me a note, and I'd be glad to talk with you and evaluate your particular situation and help give you some advice on what would be best for you to do and when. That's all that I have for now. Once again, I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I look forward to talking to you next month. Bye-bye.